Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today you're going to listen to a special English story filled with useful idioms that native speakers use in daily life. This story is designed to improve your English listening skills, vocabulary, and confidence. As you listen, try to understand the meaning of each idiom from the context. Don't worry if you miss a few. Learning English is a journey, not a race. So put on your headphones, relax, and let's begin the long road to success. Ravi was a small town boy with big dreams, but life was never a bed of roses for him. From an early age, he learned that if he wanted to succeed, he had to burn the midnight oil. While others took things with a grain of salt, Ravi believed in giving his heart and soul to everything he did. Many people told him to play it safe, but Ravi decided to take the bull by the horns. When he failed his first exam, he didn't throw in the towel. Instead, he realized that failure was a blessing in disguise. His friends sometimes laughed at him, saying he was barking up the wrong tree. But Ravi kept his eyes on the prize. During tough times, money was tight, and he often had to cut corners just to survive. Still, he knew that every cloud has a silver lining. When an opportunity finally came his way, he didn't want to miss the boat. He prepared well so that when the moment arrived, he could hit the ground running. At work, Ravi quickly became the go-to person. He believed in leading by example rather than just talking the talk. Some colleagues tried to stab him in the back, but Ravi chose to kill them with kindness. He never let office gossip get under his skin. One day, his boss called him and said, "Let's cut to the chase. You have been doing an excellent job." Ravi was over the moon, but he knew it wasn't time to rest on his laurels. Success can slip through your fingers if you are careless. As Ravi climbed the ladder, he realized that life isn't always black and white. Sometimes you have to read between the lines and think outside the box. When a major crisis hit the company, everyone was at their wits' end. But Ravi stayed calm and kept his head above water. In the end, his hard work paid off. Looking back, Ravi knew that his journey had taught him more than books ever could. He smiled, knowing he had finally come full circle. Let's see the idioms that has been used in the story and their meanings. Big dreams, ambitious goals for the future, bed of roses, an easy or comfortable life, burn the midnight oil, work or study late into the night, with a grain of salt, not fully believing something, heart and soul, complete effort and dedication, play it safe, avoid risk, take the bull by the horns, face a problem boldly, throw in the towel, give up, blessing in disguise, something good that seems bad at first, barking up the wrong tree, blaming or focusing on the wrong thing, eyes on the prize, staying focused on a goal. Tight, money was tight, not having enough money. Cut corners, do something cheaply or carelessly. Every cloud has a silver lining. Something good comes from bad situations. Miss the boat, lose an opportunity. Hit the ground running. Start something energetically. Go to person, someone people depend upon. Leading by example, showing others how to act by your own actions. Talking the talk, saying the right things without action. Stab someone in the back, betray someone, kill them with kindness. Respond to negativity with kindness. Get under your skin, annoy or upset you. Cut to the chase, get to the main point quickly. Over the moon, extremely happy. Rest on your laurels, stop trying after success. Slip through your fingers, lose something easily. Black and white, very clear with no confusion. Read between the lines, understand hidden meaning. Think outside the box, think creatively. At their wits' end, extremely worried or stressed. Keep your head above water, manage a difficult situation. Paid off, produced good results. Come full circle, return to where you started after change. You have just finished listening to the story. Great job. If you understood most of the idioms, you are already on the right path to becoming more fluent in English. Go back and listen again if needed. Repetition builds confidence. Try using a few of these idioms in your own sentences or daily conversations. If you enjoyed this story, like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more English listening stories, vocabulary lessons, and real life expressions. Thanks a lot for watching and listening, and I will see you in the next video. Keep learning and keep growing.